Hi, I'm Mike Latimer, and I wanted to show you what happens typically after our first design reveal meeting. We've talked about the exterior elevation, and ultimately we started designing and realized that we're met with a couple more restrictions that maybe have been a little bit more restrictive than what we anticipated, or in this case, we've increased the floor heights from 9 to 10 on the first floor and 8 to 9, in turn limiting our overall height of what the house could be. So once we looked at this house and realized that we're limited to 25 feet of max overall height, the house just felt too squatty. So what I really want to do with this is come up with a new exterior elevation that'll, one, give it a little more elegance on the front, but also make it feel a little taller and not so squished. So I want to show you what I would do. With this, oftentimes we'll have our design reveal meeting and we'll be sitting down and we'll look at something like this and we'll say, okay, what are the other options? So during our meeting, I want to sit down with you just like this. Now, of course, you're looking at this the right way, and I think it's the easiest for you to visualize. So I am going to take this house and give some thoughts. There you have it. Now we've got a lot more elegant feel to it. We've fought that overall height, so now it doesn't feel as squished. We got a taller peak, bigger pitch, accent with some metal roof, some nice big brackets over here on the side. And oftentimes I'll do this just as a concept study to see if this is the right ballpark, because every elevation style is a little different, every taste is a little different. We're thinking about the neighborhood, how that we're dealing with regulations, the codes in the city, but also, how does it look compared to the neighbors' houses? So here it's kind of this coastal chic feel that I think is really elegant, plus has a lot of detail and character. That's something a little different for this particular neighborhood, but it's not going to stick out. Sometimes I just take a little marker, highlight in where windows are, give it a little shadow, just to make it jump off the page a little bit more. But this is where we've taken this kind of elevation, updated it, give it a little bit more curb appeal in my opinion.